Alright, what's up YouTube? Here with the second box of triple threads my wife got me. First box is pretty nice. Got a triple auto of Ryan Braun, Matt Holliday, and David Wright. So let's hope that I can keep the same mojo going. And these cards will be up for trade unless otherwise noted. Interested in Braves cards or Saints. It's nice enough. Cut both of these open. Alright. We got George Sisler to 525. Johnny Damon to 240. Dan Uggla underpants Marcus Sherrill at 1350. And from the Detroit Tigers, Johnny Damon, first round pick, 8 out of 9 auto. Not bad. That's nice. Good memory. And the second box. Got Tom Seaver to 99, Josh Hamilton to 525, Vlad, Bobby Doerr, Lance Berkman, and 35 out of 36 AL MVP Joe Mauer, Dustin Pedroia, and A-Rod. Jersey bat jersey with a little pinstripe in the A-Rod. Not bad. 35 out of 36. So not bad hits in my two boxes. I'll go over them again. Got Monta Irvin, 25 out of 27. The Joe Mauer, Dustin Pedroia, Alex Rodriguez. Johnny Damon, first round pick, 8 out of 9 auto. And the case hit would be the triple auto of Matt Holliday, Ryan Braun, and David Wright. So just let me know if you're interested, and see you later.